Their boat noodles are the best in Hong Kong.
The best hairstylist and the best technician in Hong Kong.
We've reserved a pair of white trainers and they're a little bit sexy. It's a bit like a club in here. So we luckily got our last order in before 2:30 and the food's been served almost immediately. So what do we have?
So normally if you come for dinner, around 5:30, it opens at 6. So around 5:30 there's a massive line right outside and it goes all the way around the corner on the street. So we're really lucky to get a seat here today. Great timing.
Kind of like ho fun. Not my choice for breakfast, but Sarah's in charge for this meal anyway. Apparently, their boat noodles are the best in Hong Kong. I don't know what a boat noodle is. It's just a bowl noodle. Lovely.
So having had the best boat noodles in Hong Kong, we're now here to find the best hairstylist and the best technician in Hong Kong. His name is Ted and his partner is Dewey. They're not like they're not partners.
They're a team. So Dewey and Ted looks after our colour and also styling for hair. When Ted does his work,
it's very serious. He's a big poser. He's a bigger poser than me.
I'm just getting treatment for my hair today. This guy's getting a makeover.
A makeover? It won't look like this afterwards. And this guy is Dewey.
So I've just done a cleansing treatment for my hair. So it cleanses the roots so it's not so oily and it cleans off the residue from my scalp. So now I'm just gonna touch up my makeup before dinner tonight. Because the weather's getting warmer, so I'm kind of like trying to tone my eyebrows to be a lighter shade so it doesn't look so heavy for the summer. And because with summer makeup you want to use bright colors as well. If you have really dark eyebrows, it looks kind of funny. So I'm just touching up, I'm not doing the whole look, I'm just touching up from this morning. Add a little really light eyeshadow. Recently I'm trying to go for a softer look for my eyes, so I've opted to go for a dark brown eyeliner. So it kind of just accentuates the shape of your eyes, but not too much, because sometimes the black eyeliner can actually look a bit heavy and dramatic for daytime. So I'm trying to kind of soften the whole look a bit more. Just any brown color. I'd go for like a dark brown color because it goes better with our hair. If you go for a really light brown color, it kind of looks a bit weird, might turn orange on our face. I'm not going to even bother with mascara today because sometimes removing mascara can be a pain. Okay, put some eyeshadow on the bottom eyeline. A little bit of highlight on the T-zone area. Just like this. And most importantly, like a really nice and bright lip color. See how bright it is? So I'm good now to go for dinner. Just a really 5 minutes makeup do.
The very best in Hong Kong.
Yeah, look at that precision. Look at that angle, wow.
Yeah.
So normally for my events and my hairstyling that you guys see on my Instagram, another stylist called Nicole, she takes care of my hair. So she does all the styling, setting it up, all the curls, and she's really good. And Nicole and Ted work really closely together, so yeah! So, because of my situation now, I have to wear more flats, and I wanted some really nice sneakers. So I put these on hold, so now I'm trying these on.
It's not often that Sarah opts to wear trainers or flats, so here we are at Torrance, and we've reserved a pair of white trainers, and they're a little bit sexy.
Because a lot of times trainers make your feet look really stumpy, but these ones, they're kind of like fitted, so they make your feet look more sleek.
Stumpy, apparently.